Welcome to our presentation on the action plan for cataloging artifacts most susceptible to wear and tear and the long-term benefits of incorporating 3D printing technology. Over time, many of Canada's most treasured historical artifacts face inevitable wear and degradation. From fragile textiles to aging sculptures, preservation is a growing challenge. Our first step is identifying artifacts at risk of damage, focusing on their age, material, and current condition. Here, two of our conservators are carefully examining a fragile metal piece. One points out a visible crack while the other documents its condition. We will document specific preservation needs such as environmental controls and handling protocols to maintain optimal conditions. This includes setting environmental controls like temperature and humidity levels, which can prevent further deterioration. One key aspect of our plan includes using 3D printing technology to create accurate replicas of our most vulnerable artifacts. Here, a financial analyst breaks down the cost savings that 3D printing brings to our preservation efforts. The financial analyst provides stakeholders with a detailed report outlining the projected cost savings from using 3D printing technology. The graph illustrates a significant reduction in preservation and transportation costs over time. As the analyst explains, this not only frees up resources but also enables us to scale our outreach programs. By producing affordable 3D printing replicas, we can expand our educational and community initiatives, making Canadian heritage more accessible while maintaining a cost-effective approach. Replicas enhance visitor engagement by providing hands-on experiences, enriching educational opportunities without risking damage to originals. Creating replicas from 3D models is cost-effective, enabling us to expand outreach programs and improve accessibility. In conclusion, our action plan, combined with the incorporation of 3D printing, will not only protect our artifacts but also enhance their accessibility for future generations.